have Globe Centauria to deadhead. This variety is a macrocephala, which apparently do not rebloom. It has these beautiful yellow flowers that turn to these seed pods when they're done blooming. This young plant has one main stem and two offshoots with flowers that come from one section down here. You can see where the three stems begin. And down at the bottom, we can already see next year's growth. So I'm just going to cut the main stem all the way to the ground. You can try with these thin pruners. And if it's too difficult, you can switch it, but it seems to be easy to cut. This will leave the new growth to grow, and if you'd like to, you can clean up the old leaves and do some weeding while you're at it. Now that I've cut it, you can see more growth coming from the root ball. The ants are a little confused too. I'll make sure to replace the tag just so I don't forget what's planted here. Now it's ready for next year. Make sure you don't eat this, it is toxic. There are birds that love to eat the seeds from these, but I really don't want this spreading too much. You could just deadhead the flower above a set of leaves, but then you'll be coming back to cut it later in the season. It's up to you though. Although it is said that this variety doesn't rebloom, I do see what looks like a bud coming up right here. So I'll just leave that for now and see what happens. These are part of the thistle family, and if you look closely at the seed head, it does kind of remind me of an artichoke. These are the dried out petals. These little sections are spiky, and underneath they reveal this green shiny area.